In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing videos just from text prompts using Hailuo AI. So the first thing you need to do is to log into Hailuo AI. This is a free tool that you can easily log in. You can just log in with your Gmail account. And once you log in, you will be awarded 100 credits that you can use for the day. And if you want more for the day, you can subscribe or you can buy more credits. So the 100 credits should be enough for us. To get started, go to the create function, which is this, and click on it. And here we have two options. We can create videos using images, and as well as we can create videos using text. In my previous video that I've just linked in the comment section, you can see how you can create videos using images in Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is a product of Minimax, and it is one of the best AI tools out there. For this case, we want to learn how we can create videos from text. So click on text, and from here we have to put our text prompt here. So for instance, I have here a prompt about King David that I want to use to generate a video. So I'll use this prompt about David and Goliath. I'll select it and then come and paste it here. So this is what the text says. So this is the prompt that I want to use. A dramatic scene of young David standing victorious over the fallen Goliath. The giant's massive sword lies beside him while David holds his sling and looks upward with gratitude to God. A battlefield stretches in the background with soldiers watching in awe. So this is the prompt. There is more that you can do to your prompt. For instance, if you toggle on this, you are told when you enable this, your prompts will be automatically refined into more detailed description to enhance generation quality. So make sure it is enabled. When you see it colored, you know that it has been enabled. However, if you see it in black and white, then it has been disabled. So this is one of the functions that can help us to get the best refined quality. So make sure that it is enabled to get refined results from your prompts. It is time to generate. To generate, just go and hit on this button that contains your credits. Remember, you have 100 credits that you are given for free when you sign up or each day you use Hailuo AI. Now, for each prompt, 30 of your credits will be used for a thing called generation. If we increase the number of generations, say maybe 2, 60 credits will be redeemed from our 100 credits, meaning we shall remain with 40. So for this case, I just want 1 and then click on generate, which is this button. And the generation process has begun. As you can see here, the process is on. And let's give it some few seconds and it should be done. In some cases, it may take long depending on the number of users that are online. Remember, because this is a free to use online tool, the traffic sometimes tends to be so high, and it is good to practice with Hailuo AI, especially during the early morning hours or late night. If you want faster generation, you can sign up for the paid account and then you will be able to make generations instantly. And here we go, our creation is ready. Click on it. Here we go. So I think this is a good creation and it was perfectly well done. So to download the video, go and look for the download function, which is here. Click on it and it will be downloaded direct to your computer. And here it is. We already have it now on our computer. Now, the only drawback that we have is that if you are using the free account, it has a watermark at the bottom here. However, if you have a paid account, the watermark will not be there. Now, if you go back, you realize that our credits have been redeemed and now we have a balance of 70 of them. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.